वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। देखिए, ब्रेक पे जाने से पहले मैंने आपसे कहा था कि वापस आकर मैं आपको बिग पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा। एंड मेरा मानना तो ये है कि लाइफ में ब्रेक से आने के बाद ही नहीं, जब भी मौका मिले बिग पिक्चर देखना बहुत जरूरी है। मोस्टली वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द बिग पिक्चर इज, बट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनी मोर फिलोसॉफिकल, क्योंकि जिस बिग पिक्चर की मैं बात कर रहा हूं वो कंप्लीटली एक अलग चीज है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बिग पिक्चर व्हिच इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट आर्ट एग्जीबिशन। एंड इसकी खूबी ये है कि इट गिव्स आर्टिस्ट द फ्रीडम टू एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स इन देयर आर्ट, not worrying about the commercial aspects. The Big Picture opened its doors to visitors for the second edition of the Independent Art Exhibition. It is an independent, non-profit art initiative which aims to promote artists in the United Arab Emirates and provide them with a platform to express their interpretation in a simple method, including work from art politics, galleries, profitable guidelines, or frame-driven markets. Those remarkable works were selected and curated alongside artworks by more than 45 artists from the UAE. This new edition created a harmonious conversation between works from different generations and various backgrounds.
The Big Picture is an exhibition that we started last year. The main reason was to promote artists from the UAE to the UAE crowd. We got over 250 applications and we have 46 artists displaying their work currently, with legendary artists like Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein and Salvador Dali. So that's it. This is what the Big Picture is about.
The theme this year for the Big Picture, which by the way is in its second edition, is the anatomy of the body and internal organs. It's very interesting to see how different artists have portrayed the same in different art forms.
My pieces are called Hazy Reality. They're about how reality is perceived but differently by each person. It's an illusion, so your reality is different than mine, and we all live in a different kind of world.
It's called The Hunters, and it basically talks about the emotions that the hunters are feeling, the emotions of excitement and hope that they're going to have a great hunting day just before they head to their day.
The idea is to include internationally renowned legends and UAE-based artists side by side, supported by the main goals of the Big Picture, which is to demolish any boundaries or categorization that may limit the artists or their thought process.
This is my model, Big Head. It's through 3D eye tracking, so I've looked at a model's face, and the points that I've looked at have created the actual model. So it's all about capturing a moment in time and making it like a solid object.
The title is Beauty of a Soul, and it depicts clearly that it's all about the women's aspect. Like anatomically, we all are alike, like men, women, kids, anyone. So we should not discriminate with the women so much. So I just want to give a message that we all are alike, so please treat us alike, and that's clearly depicting.
The Big Picture explored multifaceted artistic creations featuring paintings, photography, sculpture, digital art, performance art, installation, as well as sound and video art by emerging and established artists. अब आर्ट एग्जीबिशंस हो रही हैं इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को थीम बनाकर, तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं हमारी लाइफ के लिए। अब मेरा फेवरेट इंटरनल ऑर्गन है मेरा पेट, माई स्टमक. आई थिंक माई हार्ट इज इन माई स्टमक. एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट स्टमक, हाउ कैन यू नॉट टॉक अबाउट फूड? एंड दिस प्लेस, द UAE, इज paradise for food. For some reason, Fridays are never complete without food. जब तक आपने एक lavish buffet नहीं खा लिया, फ्राइडे भी कोई फ्राइडे है भला। ऐसे ही एक नया lavish buffet लॉन्च हुआ at the Isfinity brunch. We were there. Take a look. Starting this May, the Isfinity brunch is offering a limitless array of richly flavored Indian cuisine, fun and music, all in a chic and sophisticated environment.
Isfinity, well, because our restaurant is called Is, and then it's also play on infinity, which is a broadening of horizons, a wide variety, all embracing. So we came up with Isfinity.
Chef Aftab Rahman presents the lush taste of India with immaculate presentation and pitch-perfect spicing in a brunch menu that brings together the most loved items on the Is menu.
It's always been a favorite of a lot of our regular clients, authentic Indian tandoori cuisine. So we thought Friday is a perfect day for family and friends. So a brunch is the best way to catch up with family and friends.
Now the Friday brunch means huge variety. The kebabs, the grills, the biryani, the Isfinity brunch has everything that you can want in a Friday brunch. And you know what makes this brunch very unique is the setting of the restaurant. You know, a live kitchen in front of you, chefs working right in front of you, and the best part is when the grills come out straight from the tandoor into your plate. Aha, usko khane ka maza hi alag hota hai. You could taste succulent tandoor-cooked kebabs and tikkas, perfectly grilled items from the tawa, dedicated fried snacks, along with hearty main courses, biryanis, and the sweet menu of desserts. All dishes will be prepared a la minute upon the guest's order, ensuring a fresh and robust taste delivered directly to the table.
The brunch menu has actually more than 40 different items, but I would definitely recommend if you're coming to try the Isfinity brunch, salmon tikka, prawns masala, and then of course you have something that our guests call now the killer broccoli. So good selection of dishes for both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options.
What is more interesting is the larger raised tables, which are round and can seat 8 comfortably. These are cocooned in a semicircular ball of wooden slates which offer privacy without feeling too secluded.
It was great. I like the selection of tandoors and the tawa and the curries as well. There was a good selection of biryanis and it was a good experience overall. North Indian food, it tastes really nice here.
I love the ambience, it's pretty good, and the food is very nice. The flavors are, coming out pretty well. It's a good experience, of course. I'm happy to be here on a Friday brunch.
अब खाने से याद आया कि और भूख लग रही है, और जब और भूख लग जाती है तो सिर्फ रेस्टोरेंट देखने से काम नहीं चलता है, रेस्टोरेंट में जाकर खाना पड़ता है। तो एक काम करते हैं, एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं। ब्रेक के बाद जब मैं वापस आऊंगा तो आपको बढ़िया सा खाना खिलाऊंगा।